Yeah, voice is coming.
Yeah, voice is coming
Okay,
goodly.
because when I say you are, you can hear. You say I'm here. No, it's not that
I,
here. It is
I
that voice
hear
is
you.
coming or not. What do you have in your hand?
This is a micro.bit.
Okay, put that all down. You can play it afterwards. So just wait 1 minute. Just 1 minute. हाँ बोलो खुशबू. हाँ हाँ अभी एग्जाम स्टार्ट हो गया. हाँ ठीक. हाँ जी ठीक है. हम जो रिविजन क्वेश्चन भेजते हैं ना उसको थोड़ा कराना. ठीक है. हम भेजते रहेगा रिविजन क्वेश्चन उसको थोड़ा कराना. ओके. हाँ ओके. So you are getting the audio clear, and what I told you, you have to answer all the questions. Okay, don't keep quiet. You remember?
Yes, I remember. I
Yeah.
remember.
Okay. So I will share the screen. Wait. Okay. You can see the screen.
Yeah.
What is written?
I can see that it's written 3D shape.
3D
Oh, we
shapes.
are using PowerPoint today?
Yeah, PowerPoint, or sometimes that depends, either that one or PDF. But I always create in PowerPoint, but sometimes I change to PDF. Okay, so 3D shapes. Now, what is the meaning of 3D shapes?
What is the meaning of 3D shapes?
You cannot put them flat on the ground. They will have height. Height is there, right? When you
Right.
put them flat on the ground, they also have height. A rectangle you can draw on a paper, it will have no height. It will not rise above the paper. Right?
Yeah.
You can draw a circle on a paper. The circle will not come above the level of the paper. But here, if you draw a cube, it has height above the surface. The bottom and the top, there's a gap, there's a height. Similarly,
Yes.
the bottom of the sphere, now there is a height before you reach the top. So when you put it on a piece of paper, or when you put it on the table, it will have height from where it touches the bottom, that bottom surface where it touches the table, to the top there is a height.
Okay.
If you draw with a pencil, one rectangle I am drawing, so all the full rectangle will be on the paper. It will not rise above the level of the paper. It will have no height. But here it has height. It is rising above the level of the paper, above the surface. It has height. Right?
Right.
So you have cube and cuboid, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, and different kind of prisms, and half of sphere, hemisphere. These are the 3D shapes, some of the common 3D shapes. Cube and cuboid. You can see the difference. Can you tell me what is the difference between cube and cuboid?
Well, the first difference in the cuboid is that not all sides are equal.
Exactly. When a cuboid has all the sides equal, it is a cube. When a cuboid has all the sides equal, it is a cube. All the sides should be equal, then it is a cube. Similarly, hemisphere. Sphere, you cut in half, it will be hemisphere.
Yeah.
Supposing I have a ball, cut it in half, it will be a hemisphere, right?
Yeah.
So this is the difference between sphere, hemisphere. That is half of a sphere. Similarly, cube is a cuboid where all the sides are equal. The length, the width, and the height are equal. Then cuboid becomes a cube. And when they are unequal, then it is a cuboid. If all the sides equal, it's a cube.
Yeah.
So the first shape, see, this is a Is it a cuboid or cube?
This is a cuboid.
Cuboid, because the length is longer, the width is shorter, the height is a bit more than the width but less than the length. All the three sides, and you can see which one. These are called faces. Each side is called face. Each is a rectangle. There's a face.
Okay.
And the corners are called vertex. Each corner is called vertex, and all the corners will be vertices. Each corner is a vertex, and each side, which is a rectangle, is a face. Each surface is a face. So, can you tell me how many faces are there in a cuboid? How many faces are there?
How many faces are there in the cuboid? They're about the same. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No. See, you can see the top and the
4,
bottom.
5. 5.
No,
5.
not 5, beta. Let's. One is the top, one is the bottom. So you got 2, right? One at the back, one at the front. So again 2. And one on the left, one on the right. Again 2. That means total 6. Top and bottom. Top is 1, bottom is 1. So 2. Left side and right side 2. That is 2 plus 2, 4. And the back side and the front side 2. So total 6. Take any box and see. It will have a top and a bottom, a left side and a right side, and a back side and a front side. So total 6 faces. Right? It has 6 faces. And the 6 faces, if all the faces are equal, then it would be a cube. Now, see the length, the width, the height, and the corners are called vertices. Each corner is a vertex. If it is sharp, then you may hurt your hand if you touch it, if it is very sharp. If it is a metal and very sharp, you may hurt your finger if you touch it. So, vertex, the corner. Now, see, these are some of the cubes and cuboids we use every day. Some of the cubes where all the faces are equal. What are the things given here? Cubes.
Cubes and cuboids.
Yeah, no, cubes. What are the examples given? Here you have ice cubes.
Ice cube, Rubik's cube, a gift, or a
Rubik's
cardboard
cube,
box.
yeah, Rubik's cube. Then box. Of course, all boxes are not cubes, but this box happens to be a cube. Boxes can also be cuboid. Cubes. And cuboid you have, what is this one? The first one, a matchbox. There's a matchbox.
Yeah, we all have it.
Then you have a book. Then you have a packet of anything. Here it is cereal, some milk powder or whatever it is, a packet. And this is an eraser. Eraser.
Yes, it's an eraser.
Eraser is a cuboid. A matchbox is a cuboid. A book is a cuboid. Most boxes are cuboid in shape. And this is a pack of anything. Cardboard packet. We call carton a cardboard pack of anything. That's a cuboid. And there's a Rubik's cube. You know what is a Rubik's cube?
I know what's a Rubik's.
And you know how to do that? All the colors, how to bring it.
Yeah, I know how to solve it.
How to solve it. Very good. And there's
But I haven't solved it because I don't have one.
Oh, you don't have one? Okay. There's a 6 phase and 6 colors. Green, blue, red, orange, yellow, white, and ice cubes and some boxes. So these are examples of cubes and cuboids. Yeah, and another thing, Almira is also a cuboid. Your Almira, cupboard.
Yeah.
Right, that is also a cuboid. Any other example? Yeah, what? That is not written here. Any other example? New example?
A
And
piano box.
piano box, any kind of box, okay? Then, now this is a sphere. This is a sphere. Now, sometimes we say round, but round is a confusing word because a wheel is also round. A wheel is also round, but it is flat. But here it is round, like a sphere, ball. Both of them we call it round. If I ask you what is the shape of a wheel, you will say round. And what is the shape of a ball? That is also round. So round is a confusing word. The correct word is sphere. That is circle. Sphere is a circle, and this is a sphere. Sphere like a ball.
Got
Now,
it.
now, what are the examples of sphere in real life? Tell me certain things which are sphere, spherical, or almost spherical. It may not be exactly sphere, but almost sphere. Examples?
For example, a wheel.
What?
A wheel.
No, wheel is a circle. Wheel is not round. Wheel is a circle. Wheel you can put flat on the ground. Wheel is a circle. Wheel is not a sphere. Sphere means it should be like a ball.
What about a gymnastics ball?
Yeah, gymnastics ball, any ball. Tennis ball, football, cricket ball, any ball. All the
Cricket
balls.
ball?
Then, you know that playing marbles? Marbles we play?
Yeah.
Marbles, playing marbles. Then you have the earth is almost a sphere. Not completely, but the earth is almost a sphere. Right? The earth is also, and many of the fruits like oranges, yeah, sweet limes, most of the fruits, many of the fruits around, berries. So these are fig, berry, orange. Most of them are round. Lemon,
Yeah.
lemon is also a sphere, almost a sphere. So lemon, orange, sweet lime, what we call musambi. These are sphere, examples of sphere. Then we have, and also you may see ball uh, uh, in chairs. And moving chairs, you can see ball at the bottom so that it is easy to roll. That also you can see. So we have all balls, cricket ball, football, tennis ball, all the balls. We have some fruits like lemon, orange, mosambi, and guava, and almost the earth, nearly a sphere, even if not exactly. Then, what is this shape? What is this shape?
This shape is called.
Cone, yeah. Cone examples we see. Cone.
I meant cloud, not cone.
C-O-N-E, cone. This is called a cone.
Weird.
Now see the examples. The first one is ice cream cone. Right? Ice cream cone. The second you have a joker's cap. This is a megaphone. We use it for announcing, like a loudspeaker. This is used in, you have seen this one, used in games, sports. This is a Christmas tree, the tree part, not the bottom part, the tree part. This is a cap, some caps or some hats. This is a carrot, carrot, except for the stalk, carrot. This is a funnel. So these are more or less conical in shape. So a cone can be an ice cream cone. It can be a joker's cap. It can be a megaphone or a loudspeaker. It can be a Christmas tree. It can be a carrot. So these are cones. Any other examples?
No.
Why? Think of some examples. Any other examples? You have seen, even in picture, have you seen the potter making different things? A potter's wheel. A potter.
No.
Okay.
Wait, let me just look around.
No, even in picture, if you have seen, internet, you search potter's wheel, you'll get.
A stripped down ice cream cone.
Yeah, ice cream cone, yeah, we eat ice creams, okay. But potter's wheel, the
What
clay.
about the water bottle? Not exactly a cone, but it looks
Yeah,
like.
some bottles, yeah, right. Some bottle. The potter's cone, they will make the clay into a cone shape before making things. They always make it into a cone shape. Yeah, that is there. Some pillars may also be like cone shaped. And the last part of your pencil, the last part of your pencil where
Lead.
you write, that is also a cone.
Lead.
And if you buy certain things from street vendors, popcorns, these things, they make paper into a cone and then put it. From the
Okay,
street, you
got it.
buy some popcorns or some peanuts or something, and they will make a plain paper, they will make it into a cone. Jhalmuri in the train, they will make it into a cone and put it. So that is a cone.
Okay.
And most of the peaks are also cone. You will find the mountain peaks. The
Yeah, for
mountain
example,
peaks,
Mount Everest.
Mount Everest, the top one is nearly a cone, not a regular, but almost a cone.
Mount Himalaya.
Almost a cone. That is conical in shape. So a cone, and it can also be a funnel where you pour things. You have seen this funnel, I think. Right? You have seen this funnel? Yeah, funnel, that is cone. And if you break an egg in half, one half will be a cone, the one with the pointed end. One egg you break in half, but take the one with the pointed egg, put the shell down, it will be like more or less like a cone. And the hills and mountains, hills, small hills, mountains, some rocks may be cone in shape, more or less conical rocks, pencils, the end of pencils. So these are some of the cones. And you have ice cream cone, you have the joker's cap, you have the megaphone, you have the loudspeaker, you have the Christmas tree. All these are carrot. These are cones. And some of the trees are cone in shaped. They are called coniferous trees. Some trees are cone in shape, particularly they are found in hilly areas, mountains. Some trees are also cone in shape. You have seen conical trees?
Yeah, I've seen them.
Yeah, coniferous trees are conical trees. They are called coniferous actually. Coniferous trees, they will be cone shaped. Now,
Okay.
the next one. What is this one? What shape is this?
This is a cone.
This is not a cone. What is this?
Oh, this is a cylinder.
Cylinder. There is a cylinder. Cone is pointed at one end. It is not pointed. The top and bottom will be circles. The top is a circle. The bottom is a circle. So examples of cylinders. This cake. Every cake may not be cylindrical, but this cake happens to be a cylinder. Sometimes cake may be a cylinder, but the cake may not be a cylinder. The cake may be a square or rectangular or cuboid in shape, but here it is cylinder. Then glass, our drinking glass. There's log of wood, a thick log of wood, I mean a thick branch of a tree. A tree, a thick branch, you have cut it. This is a tin of something, a tin of milk or tin of something, a tin of coconut oil, tin of some oil, a tin of butter. Then, what are the other things you can see in cylinder? See the picture and tell me.
A cylinder? Okay. Oh.
What are the things you can see? You can see a cup.
Yeah, we all know that.
Then, what else you can see?
A
What you
pencil?
A pencil, yeah, except for the bottom part. Then,
No, except for the top part because it's a cone.
Yeah, top part means where you write, except that part. Or the pencil when you buy, before you sharpen it, the pencil when you buy from the shop, that is a cylinder. Then, what else? Now, in the picture, some things are given. Certain things are given in the picture.
I don't know.
No, here, see the picture. What you can see in the picture? You can see one candle.
A cake, a water. I can see a cake, a metal tin, a log, and some glass, and a tin, and a soda bottle.
A Coke bottle. There's a Coke can.
Okay.
Then
But
this
I want
is,
to buy
what is
it.
this one? The second one in the bottom row. The bottom
Let me
line.
just get up.
This is a battery. The battery you put in clocks. The battery you put in a remote. This is a battery.
Okay.
You have seen a battery? You put it in the remote. You put it in the clock. Have you seen a battery?
Huh? Yeah.
The battery is cylinder. Right? A battery is cylinder. There is a Coke can. Coke. This is a candle. This is a glass. A flask. This is a log of wood. A cake. A tree. Most of the trees, except for the branches on the top, they are cylindrical. Pillars. You have seen thick pillars. Pillars. Have you seen pillars? In temples and other things, thick pillars.
Yeah, I have.
Pillars. Pillars are cylinders. Right? Most of the water bottles are cylinders. Milk bottles are cylinders. A drum is cylinder. Bucket will be cylinder. Most of the buckets, all the buckets can come in other shapes, but most of the buckets may be in the shape of cylinders. Right? A glass, a cup, a thermos flask, this battery, this candle, a flask, a log of wood, pillars, thick pillars. These are cylinders in shape. Got it?
Got it.
So, give me 5 examples of cylinders. 5 examples. 5 examples of cylinders.
I'll try to give you that.
Yeah.
For example, a jar.
Jar, very good. Then. One.
And then, for example,
you can also use give examples which you see here in the picture. That also you can see.
Then soda cans.
Soda can or Coke can. Then. That is 2. Then.
Then I
See the pictures here. You can see the pictures.
Then I have juice, batteries, and all that.
Battery, juice bottle. Then what else? 4. One more.
Logs.
Log of wood, pillars, cups. So these would be pencils when you buy new from the shop. When you have that part, cylinders. Now this is prism. This is a prism. You can see that like a cylinder, but the top and bottom are not circles. The top and the bottom are not circles. It can be triangle, it can be hexagon, it can be 6-side, it can be 4 sides. So what happened? The top and the bottom are not circles, but otherwise it is like a prism. It is like a prism. It is like a cylinder. Prism is like a cylinder, but the top and bottom, they are not circles, they are not round, but they are having 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, triangle. So like a cylinder, but the top and bottom are not circles.
Okay.
Here it is a triangular prism, where the top and bottom are triangles. Here you have a hexagonal prism. The top and bottom are hexagon, 6 sides. 6 sides. So in some pencils you will find, all the pencils are not cylinders. Some pencils will be like this, a prismatic in shape. Right? Got it?
Got it.
Next, you see, these are, can you tell me what are these? What is this one?
Okay, this is a triangle
No.
or a pyramid.
Pyramid, yeah, not triangle. Pyramid, where each side is a triangle. If you take any side, it is a triangle. All the sides are triangles. Many triangles put together. This actually each is a triangle. If it is, if the bottom is a square, then there will be 4 triangles. If the bottom is, say, hexagon, then there will be 6 triangles. So they are triangles. Here you can see each side is a triangle, but all of them meeting at the top at one point. So there is a pyramid. Where have you heard the word pyramid? Where have you heard the word pyramid? The word pyramid. Have you heard the word pyramid? Hello?
Yes, I have heard it.
Where? In which context? Or in which place you find pyramids? Where have you heard the word pyramid?
Where have I heard the word pyramid? Well, I may have heard it somewhere.
You have heard it in the context of Egypt.
Yeah.
Egypt, full of pyramids. Egypt is famous for pyramids. Egypt. You have heard the name Egypt? Have you heard the name Egypt?
Yeah.
Egypt is famous for pyramids. Egypt. Egypt is famous for pyramids. So you find the pyramids in Egypt. Right? Got it?
Got it.
So pyramids are found in Egypt, and this is the shape of pyramids. This is the pyramids. These are the shapes of pyramids. Okay?
Okay.
And this is the shape of prism. These are cylinders. Cylinders. This is cone. These are cones. Examples of cones. Here you have sphere, round like a ball, not round like a wheel. And here you have cubes and cuboids. Okay, got it?
Okay.
Okay, so we will meet in the next class. That is on Wednesday. No, today is, Monday, so we'll meet on Wednesday. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.